Hey, are you looking for 100% sure predicted cue cards for IELTS speaking between October and December 2025 IELTS examination? If yes, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to disclose topmost 100% sure predicted cue cards which you can get in the final examination. Don't miss the video till end, and if you haven't subscribed my channel till yet, then go to the subscribe button and subscribe it. Hi there, my name is Sapna Dhameja, one of the IELTS experts at your IELTS partner platform, and today in this video on candidates demands, on students demand, I'm making this video for prediction, but this prediction is 100% sure if you are planning to take your examination between October and December. So I'm going to disclose topmost cue cards. Cue card number 1, describe a singer whose music or songs you like. So there are some bullet points: who the singer is, what kind of songs or music he or she sings, when and how you discovered him or her, and explain why you like the music. So this is very important cue card, and it could be asked any of the examination between October and December. Second, describe a good habit of your friend, or describe a good habit your friend has and you want to develop. You want to develop that habit. So here are some bullets. Which friend is it? What habit is it? Why do you want to develop this habit? Cue card number 3, describe an occasion when you lost your way. Where and when did it happen? This is very, very, very important cue card. Where and when did it happen? How did you feel when you were lost? And how did you find your way out? Cue card number 4, describe a place you went to and an outdoor activity you did there. So there are some bullet points: where the place is, what outdoor activity you did, when and with whom you went, and explain why you enjoyed the place or why you enjoyed it. Cue card number 5, describe a book you read that you found interesting, what it is, when you read it, why you think it is useful, and explain how you felt about it. Cue card number 6, describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. Very important cue card again. A time when you told your friend an important truth. So there are some bullet points: who your friend is, what the truth was, what was your friend's reaction, and explain why it was important to tell the truth. So there are 6 cue cards. Now this is time to disclose cue card number 7. Describe a talk you gave to a group of people, or any discussion you told or you did with a group of people, but basically the cue card is a talk you gave to a group of people, who you gave the talk to, what the talk was about, why you gave the talk, and explain how you felt about the talk. Cue card number 8, describe a long journey you had and you would like to take again, or you would like to do it again. So bullet points are: where you went, how you traveled, what you did during the journey, and explain why you would like to take it again. Cue card number 9, describe a piece of technology you own that you feel is difficult to use. But here is my personal advice: rather than talking about computer, laptop, or mobile, just talk about any other piece of technology. A piece of technology you own that you feel is difficult to use. When did you get it? What did you get it for? How often do you use it? And how you feel about it. Cue card number 10, describe someone else's room you enjoy spending time in. Previously, this could be asked in that way: describe your favorite room, or a room where you would like to spend your time. But this time they are going to ask, describe someone else's room you enjoy spending time in. When do you visit there? Whose room it is? What it is like? What you can do in it? And last, explain why you enjoy spending time there. So halfway done. So before proceeding to rest of the cue cards, here I would like to inform you that at Your IELTS partner platform we are giving prediction, also prediction for reading, writing, speaking and listening. Moreover, we are offering online classes for reading, writing, listening and speaking. If you guys wish to enroll, then you can book free demo class and later on you can enroll in our classes. The number is displayed below. Either you can contact us or WhatsApp us. So going to further, Yuga number 11, describe a person you disliked at first but ended up being friend with. You disliked first that person but it ended up being friend with. Who the person is, when and where you met him or her, why you dislike this person at first, and explain how your opinion of him or her. Tutor number 12. Describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. Yes, a time when you saw something interesting on social media. So bullet points are: when was it, what did you see, where did you see it, and how you felt about it. And explain why you think it was interesting. So very important information. In every cue card you will get an explanation in the final examination. Don't miss it, because sometimes this is given exactly below the 4 bullet points and sometimes it is given exactly at the beneath of the cue card, exactly at the beneath of the paper. So don't miss it. Explain it very well to the examiner. Cue card number 13. Describe an interesting traditional story. An interesting traditional story. Bullet points are: what the story is about, when and how you knew it, who told you the story, and explain how you felt when you first heard it. Cue card number 14. Describe an important decision made with the help of other people. Any important decision which you made with the help of other people, what the decision was, who helped you, how they helped, and why you needed help, and explain the result of that decision. Cue number 15. Describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language. Bullet points are: where you were, who you were with, what you talked about, and explain how you felt about it. So see, explanation behind every cue card. This is the question, this is the bullet point, don't miss it. Cue card number 16. Describe an exciting activity you have tried for the first time. Bullet points are: what the activity was, when and where you tried it, who you were with, what happened, and explain why it was exciting. Cue number 17. Describe a great dinner you and your friends or family members enjoyed. Any great dinner which you enjoyed with your friends or family members. Where and when the dinner was, who was there, what you ate, what made it special, and explain why you enjoyed it. Cue card number 18. Describe a sport person or any athlete that you admire. Bullet points are: who the person is, what he is like in the real life, what is his or her achievements, and what are his or her achievements, why do you admire him or her. Next, cue number 19. Describe a website that sells second-hand items. What the website is, what kind of items it sells, when and why you use it or you would use it, and explain why it is useful. Cue number 20. Last but not the least, because I'm going to share a very important piece of information after this cue card. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Cue number 20. Describe a time when you saw something in the sky, what you saw in the sky, when and where you saw it, what it looked like, any details, and explain why it was memorable. So actually, there is a big list of the cue cards this time in the final examination, but these are predicted cue cards. Here I have disclosed only half. These are 20 cue cards which I have disclosed in this video. So if you guys want more cue card, if you guys want exactly 20 more predicted cue cards, there are 40 predicted cue cards this time between October and December. So if you want more, then write me down in the comment section part 2. Then next I will upload part 2 for the predicted cue cards, and you will get soon that. So if you are highly interested, then don't forget to write me down part 2 in the comment section, and I hope this could be useful for you, and best of luck to everyone who are planning to take their examination between October and December. Thank you so much.